Stop scrolling. What if I told you you could create a hyper-realistic AI influencer that looks human, posts on Instagram and TikTok, and costs you $0 to make? No paid models, no complicated workflows, no design skills. Today I am showing you the exact system I use to build ultra-real AI influencers using a powerful image and video agent called Sjin AI. And by the end of this video, you will have your own digital persona ready for social media. Let us build one right now. Sjin AI is an image and video agent that gives you access to top-tier models like Midjourney, Flux 2, Imagen 4, Seedream 4.5, and the Nano Banana series. I recently made a full review of this tool, so if you want the deep breakdown, you will find the link in the description below. But today, we are jumping straight into creating a human-like AI influencer from scratch. Every AI influencer starts with one thing: a strong base character image. And I will show you two easy methods to get one. The first method is using ChatGPT to generate a hyper-realistic influencer prompt that describes facial features, skin texture, age, lighting, camera angle, and an Instagram-ready vibe. Once you have that prompt, go into Sjin AI, switch to Tool Mode, and select Nano Banana Pro, because this is the key for realism. Paste your prompt into the box. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for TikTok, Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Choose 2K for resolution, and hit Generate. In a few minutes, your influencer image will be ready, and you can upscale it with one click for extra sharpness. Save this image because it becomes the foundation of your AI influencer, and as you can see, it already looks incredibly real. If you are not confident at writing prompts, the second method is even easier. Open Pinterest and search for fashion portraits, editorial photography, or Instagram model poses. Pick an image you like and download it, then return to ChatGPT and upload that image and ask for a detailed prompt to recreate the style while changing the environment and clothes for uniqueness. Once the new prompt is ready, go back into Sjin, select Nano Banana Pro, and paste your prompt. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, resolution to 2K, and generate again. Now you have another version of your influencer, and you can even edit the character directly inside Sjin. For example, if you want to change her clothing, download the image, upload it again, and tell Sjin to give her a stylish outfit, then generate and save the result. At this point, you officially have your base AI influencer. An AI influencer cannot survive with only one photo, so the next step is creating different poses. Go back to Pinterest or any site with reference images and download a few pose photos you like. Inside Sjin, upload two images. The first is your influencer, and the second is the pose reference. Make sure Nano Banana Pro is selected, and then add this exact line in the prompt box. Generate the image of IMG2 with the same style as IMG1. And you can also add extra details like in a red crop top for a new clothing style. Choose your aspect ratio and resolution again, hit Generate, and then upscale for better quality. You will see how we moved from one static pose to a completely new scene while keeping the same face and identity. And you can repeat this process as many times as you want to build a full library of influencer photos. Now this is where it gets really interesting, because images are great, but video is what actually makes your AI influencer feel alive and believable. This is how you turn a static character into someone who can walk, dance, pose, and follow viral trends. First, go back to Pinterest and look for a video with movement you like. Let us say this one is my favorite, so I click it. We need to download it to our device, but Pinterest does not allow direct video downloads, so copy the video link and paste it into any Pinterest video downloader you find through a quick browser search. Then save the clip. Once the video is downloaded, go into Sjin and switch to video mode. You will see all the latest video generation models available, but make sure you select Kling 2.6 motion control, because this is the one that lets you transfer motion and expressions from a real video. After selecting the model, upload your AI influencer image first. Then upload the reference video you just downloaded. When both files finish uploading, click Generate. And here is the result. I muted the audio for copyright reasons on YouTube. But look at this. Our AI influencer moves like a real person, and it is genuinely hard to tell this was AI generated. With Kling 2.6 motion control, you can copy body language, facial expressions, and full motion patterns from any clip and apply them directly to your character. Let me show you another example. I grabbed a different video from Pinterest. generated my character in a new pose and outfit, followed the exact same process with Kling, 2.6 motion control, and this is what I got. The movements are smooth, the expressions match, and everything feels natural, which is perfect for social media. Now, if you want to jump into viral dance trends, TikTok is the gold mine. Open TikTok and search for trending dances. One of the hottest examples right now is the song Sjin AI by Tyla. Click the video you want to recreate and copy its link. To download it without a watermark, paste that link into Snaptic, which lets you save TikTok videos cleanly in seconds. Then come back to Sjinn, upload your character image again, upload the dance video as your reference, make sure Kling 2.6 motion control is selected, and generate. This is the output. The same method people use for trending baby dancing videos works perfectly here too, except now you are doing it with a hyper-realistic AI influencer. And that is the full workflow. You have now seen how to create a realistic AI influencer from a base image, generate unlimited poses, customize outfits, and turn those images into viral-ready video content completely for free. If you want my full breakdown of Sjin AI, check the review video linked in the description below. And if this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more AI creator tutorials, and comment AI influencer if you want a full monetization guide next.